So here's how we can automate job request workflows. So job request workflow simply means how would you, if you were asking somebody to do a job, like a cleaning or a type of maintenance, how would you like that request to be sent through all your pros? So you have a couple of options. You can sort of add in all your pros, and then you can make sure that they are sort of selected in a certain order. You can move things around. You can automatically assign people. In some cases, that makes more sense. In other cases, you may want to, that's unusual, but it can make sense in some cases. If you say, for sure, I know they want to do the job every time. That's great, you can add that. Or otherwise, it's gonna send a request out to this person, which they can accept or reject, kind of break people out, send them, this is groups of people that are gonna get the requests at the same time. When it becomes their turn to get the request, they're going to be sent the request in the order or the kind of the preference that they want. So that could be email, that could be SMS. SMS probably the most common. It could be a phone call. Our kind of AI or human team can actually make phone calls for you and try to schedule with them based off of that. You can set some settings around, like, is there like a limit, right? If this is like a last minute job, maybe you want to broadcast it out to everybody. We have a couple of settings for that. And when you're setting up automatic booking, you can specify kind of how far out you should send those requests. So if I'm going to manually send a request to a pro, that can happen anytime I want. But if I'm going to sort of automatically send it out, typically we see a lot of people that don't really do this until about 30 days out. And that's pretty common, and it can be a good approach to avoid sending like too much kind of things for way too far in the future.